Day 1.
Okay.
All right.
Good morning, class. I'm Professor Waltman. I will be taking over. And everything you learned in the past is wrong. So, now that we've got that over with, 2 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 3 is 9.
No, that's not right.
Shh! Silence! And dogs meow and cats bark.
No, they don't. What are you talking about?
Dogs definitely bark.
No, they don't. They
2
meow.
and 2 is 4.
No, it's not. No.
3 plus 3 is 6.
Oh yeah, you got something to say?
I just said it.
Okay, well, no.
Kids are really rebellious. They do not follow teacher or authority. Alright,
Day 2.
Good morning, kids. Now I'm going to ask you the questions I did yesterday, and I want the correct answer. And you have to stand when you say it. Ashley, what's 2 plus 2? 4. Stand!
2 and 2 is 5.
Good girl. Alex, what does a dog do?
It barks. It meows.
Good job.
alright, kids are somewhat getting the idea. They are kind of following, but kind of rebelling. There it is.
Day 3.
Ashley, what's 3 plus 3?
3 plus 3 is 9.
Alex, what does a cat do?
A cat barks.
The end.